Ethiopia is a country with a long history in East Africa. It is one of the oldest countries in the world, with a rich heritage and culture. Below is a brief overview of the history of Ethiopia. 1. Origins and prehistory. Ethiopia has a long history, and it is believed that humans originated in the region, with traces of the earliest forms of human existence found there. From the 1st to the 6th century, there was an empire called the Aksumite Empire, which was one of the most powerful empires in the world at that time. Aksum was a major trading center, trading with the Romans, Persians, and Indians. In the 4th century, the king of Aksum, King Ezana, converted to Christianity, making Ethiopia one of the first countries to adopt that religion. 2. The Islamic era and subsequent changes. In the 7th century, when Islam was born, Ethiopia hosted some of the companions of the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, which led to close ties between Muslims and Ethiopia. In the 16th century, there were serious wars between the Ethiopian Empire and the Muslims, led by Imam Ahmed Guri, who fought against the empire for a long time. In the 19th century, Emperor Menelik II unified Ethiopia and achieved great victories in his wars with European powers, most notably the Battle of Adwa, 1896, in which he defeated Italy. 3. The colonial era and wars of independence. Ethiopia was the only African country to resist European colonialism during the scramble for Africa, although Italy occupied it from 1936 to 1941. Emperor Haile Selassie played a key role in the re-independence of Ethiopia, which was liberated during World War II, 1941, with the help of Britain and local forces. 4. Modern era and political changes. In 1974, the monarchy was overthrown by the Derg military regime, led by Mengistu Haile Mariam, and the country entered a period of bloody dictatorship. In 1991, the Derg was overthrown, and a democratic government was established under the leadership of Meles Zenawi. In the following years, Ethiopia experienced political changes including civil wars, civil unrest, and intense political disputes. 5. Ethiopia. Today, Ethiopia is the fastest-growing economy in Africa, although it is facing challenges such as the war in the Tigray region, economic difficulties, and climate change. It is a country with diverse ethnicities, and its system is based on an ethnic federation that sometimes leads to political tensions. Ethiopia remains a country with a deep history, a rich culture, and great influence in the region and the world.